Once upon a time, in a beautiful land called Nuristan, there lived a young boy named Shikhu. Shikhu was very poor, but he had many dreams. His biggest dream was to travel the world and gain various experiences. Life was not easy for Shikhu. He worked hard all day to help his sick mother, who needed medicine. One day, Shikhu went to the market to buy some food, but he had very little money. While wandering in the market, he saw an old and worn-out carpet being sold by an elderly man. Curious, Shikhu asked, "How much is this carpet?" The old man replied, "This carpet is very special, but you can have it for a low price." Intrigued, Shikhu bought the carpet and took it home. When he told his mother that the carpet was magical, she laughed. But Shikhu said, "Come on, mother, let's try it out." They sat on the carpet and said, "Oh carpet, take us to a faraway land." Suddenly, the carpet lifted into the air and flew towards the sky. Shikhu and his mother were astonished as the carpet took them to a beautiful city where everything was golden. In this new city, Shikhu learned a lot and met many people. Among them was a wise wizard who told him that the carpet had great powers and only helped good-hearted people. Shikhu faced many challenges during his journey. He had to solve several riddles to open a magical door in a cave. But his intelligence and courage led him to success. In the cave, he also found a magical lamp that would help him in every difficult situation. When Shikhu returned to his homeland, he brought many medicines and food for his mother. His mother, grateful and astonished, said, "Shikhu, your courage and love have saved us." Shikhu told his mother everything about the magical carpet and the adventures he had. He explained that now they could travel the world and face any difficult time with the help of the magic carpet. Shikhu's story quickly became famous all over Nuristan. Everyone praised his bravery and wisdom. He proved that with hard work, courage, and love, any difficulty could be overcome. This story teaches us that as long as we have courage and faith, no obstacle can stop us. From Shikhu's example, we learn that with good intentions and hard work, everything is possible.
If you liked our video, please subscribe and hit like button. Thanks.